Hey everyone, Silicon Valley Transparency. I'd like to give credit to this video where I found it to Straight Dog the Exposer. Thank you.
Turn off camera for me real quick. Hey, Karagi.
Hey,
Karagi.
turn this light off back here, Karagi.
Karagi, come here.
Karagi, let me turn this, hit the trunk so I can turn this light off back here, because that's...
Both of you, come here, come here, come here, come here. Sion, come here.
Shut your camera off.
Listen to me real quick. I need you to take control of your suspects.
Spring Valley.
Okay? If they're talking shit, if you need to freaking take them to jail, you need to hobble them, you need to whoop their fucking ass, you whoop their ass, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I need you to hold and take them. Alright? Make those decisions for me. I should not be making them for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Good talk.
Silicon Valley Transparency. This video here is about Nick Diaz and some police officers that arrested him. You guys are not going to believe what the police officers say. Nick Diaz has been a UFC fighter for a while. This is him slapping and beating Robbie Lawler. Pretty good fighter, man. His brother Nate Diaz beat Conor McGregor, slapped him around the octagon with the famous Stockton slap. I've been up in Stockton before, actually giving these guys a shout out, hoping that they would actually reach out to me. Wishful thinking, man. But hey, Nick, if you ever see this video, man, reach out to me, bro. I'd love to shake your hand and give you a fist bump. Been a fan since day one. Before you guys watch the video of the arrest, I want you guys to understand that they dismissed all charges, Nick Diaz. And I think you guys are going to figure out why. Pay attention.
What the? Aw, are you kidding me? Ridiculous, dude.
Coming in to check the welfare.
I'm gonna go right.
There's someone that's passed out on the couch. Say something if you're inside.
Come over
Hey,
here.
come over here.
Right in, over here.
Garage. Garage.
Right here.
Open the door right there.
Come on out. What's going on in there? You guys know somebody named...
Yeah.
Okay, come on out.
Who else is in here?
Sorry.
Who else
Alright,
is in
all
here?
good. Come on out.
My friend Coco's on the couch sleeping.
Who's upstairs?
No one's upstairs.
Is Diaz here?
Who?
Nick Diaz?
He left. He already left.
Is there
Okay.
anybody else
Do you
besides
live here?
guys here?
No, I don't live here.
Okay, we're gonna go in and make sure. Is
So
there
is it
anyone
just
in there
you
with a
two
gun?
I don't know where. I just woke up. I don't know.
Okay.
I
What's
can
your
check.
friend's name?
Can we come in?
Coco is your friend's name?
It's not like Courtney.
Okay, let's just go in and wake her up. We're gonna clear the house. Keller, do me a favor. Hey, what I want you to do, Keller, is come in with me. Stay there.
Police department, say something if you're in here.
Police department! Hey, come out here.
Coco is this girl's name.
Keep your hands up. What's your name? Just come out here.
Come on. What's your name, boss? Martin. Martin?
Yes, sir. Is he upstairs?
There's only one person in the house.
Is he upstairs?
No, he's all the way down, all the way to the right. Sleep.
Who is Nick?
Yes, sir.
Come on. You're gonna sit down right here, okay?
Yeah, I got open here, open there.
Suck in right here.
Yep.
Hey. Coco.
Challenge.
Just check it out.
Challenge.
Metro Police, if you're in here, sound off.
Alright. Turn around, face the wall.
Put your hands behind your back.
Come on, Carol.
If you guys don't know who that is getting arrested, that's Nick Diaz, the fighter on the left right there. This guy is a badass. But they go in his house and they arrest him, and he basically asks him who let you in and stuff. Check it out.
Hands behind your back.
Any weapons on you, Nick?
Slow, slow. Spread your feet.
Spread your feet as wide as you can.
You got any weapons on you, Nick?
No, sir.
No?
Flatten your hands.
Okay, that's what we like to hear. What happened to your elbow, dude?
This is like a week ago.
Oh, okay.
Who else is in here, Nick?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hold on, man. We got your buddy Martin too, so hold on a second, alright?
I know, what did I do?
We'll talk to you about it in a second.
Hey, Kazee, come over here with Keller.
Here, let's open the front door.
Oh, okay. Never mind, we're gonna open the front door for you.
Oh, yeah, who let you guys in?
Huh?
Who let you guys
Keep your feet spread.
Come on.
I want to point out how important this part is. Police officers, when they do something wrong, they really hate when you question what they're doing. They'll do everything from saying we beat him up, we shot him in the face for officer safety. When he asks them who let you guys in, the officer basically tells him, keep your feet spread. Which in reality, he wasn't resisting or anything. The officer was just kind of just basically shrugging off his question of who let you guys in without a warrant. Keep your feet spread. Pay attention.
Who let you guys in?
Huh? Keep your feet spread. Come on. Walk them out. We have the rest of the house.
Alright, wait, I got one, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm gonna go outside together.
Hey, he's gonna go figure out.
Yeah.
Do you have a... Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Nick,
What? What are you still doing? I told you to leave a long time ago.
I'm not leaving.
Hey. We'll talk to you in a minute.
Oh, well, please. Someone elaborate on what's going on here.
Hey, Carricky, search Pat in the car with all three of you, please.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Why, am I under arrest?
No, you're detained.
Well, what's going on?
Well, we're gonna figure that out. So,
I see. I'm not really especially on the car. I've been telling these girls to leave for like an hour.
okay, well, I mean, if they leave, you'll leave.
Hey, I'm a big fan. Real shit.
So,
You guys, shut up for right now.
Sorry, officer. I'm a big fan of that pussy.
Is one of this yours?
This one right here.
Okay, cool.
Spread your feet. Spread your feet, face the car.
License and registration, please. I'm sorry? You heard me. I'm not showing you my license. Aren't you that dude from that crappy movie, Underwater or whatever? Under Siege. And that's no way to talk to your elders, boy. I've been a Shihan Guru for over 40 years. So? I don't know what that means. I taught Anderson that front kick. I was the first semi-white boy to open his own dojo in Japan.
Yeah, well, this is what I think of you and your dojo in Japan. How about that?
Listen, boys, this tough talk don't scare me one bit. I've put down a lot of bad guys in my day.
Hey, so I just got here, buddy, alright? Sorry, to be honest with you, I don't know exactly what's going on. You're detained for right now, okay? Just because you're in bracelets doesn't mean that they can't come off in a little bit, alright? So, because you are who you are, I'm gonna put you in a car for right now, okay? Because I don't want to look you losing like these idiots, okay? That doesn't mean you're arrested, but we're gonna sit you in the back of the car.
Do me a favor, lean all the way back. Just relax, all right? We'll come back to you.
I want to point out that the officers lied to Nick Diaz. They told him he was being detained, that he wasn't being arrested. I'm not sure exactly what they went back in and investigated or what to go ahead and, make the arrest or whatnot. I also want to point out how well Nick Diaz did talking to the officers. I think he was pretty genuine. He didn't seem like he was trying to be he was just trying to bully the police or nothing like that. He was just basically asking what the hell's wrong, Pay attention, guys. Tell me what you think.
I didn't do anything. I'm a normal human being.
Right.
I'm fucking over here strapped up, all fucked up. I can't get comfortable. These cuffs are too tight. My fucking hands are on my ass, and I'm trying to put them on the front.
Why are you trying to move the cuffs?
And into my front side so I can fucking have a nap or something right here?
No.
Yeah, and they're not working like
Well,
that.
keep them behind your back and it won't hurt.
Well, yeah, well now they hurt because I didn't keep them there. I didn't do anything. Are you serious? Fuck, I didn't do nothing. What the fuck? You guys come in my house. I don't even know who said anybody come in. I didn't do shit.
I eat punks like you for breakfast. And then I lock 'em up and I put 'em away for a long, long time. You hear?
I don't get it. What the fuck is my... Why? Because some dumb idiot girls are fucking calling the cops? I don't get it. I don't know about it. I was asleep.
Okay.
I need to be let go. I didn't do anything wrong. You gotta tell them, bro.
Well, my partner's, I think he's coming back, so we'll see what's going on.
Seriously, I cannot fucking be detained like this. This is stupid.
He's trying to move his cuffs to the front, so now they're underneath his butt. Hey, buddy.
Dude, I don't need to be locked up. This is fucking stupid. I didn't do shit.
Put the cuffs back behind your back.
Oh, like I could do that? It was hard enough to get him around the front.
Well, you could get him around the front, you can get him back behind you.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, hold on.
Why?
Well, how long you been dating her?
Dude, why don't you let me look at my phone so you can see it?
Oh, see what?
My messages?
No.
How, bro? How am I in trouble for this?
Put your cuffs behind your
Come on,
back,
I
man.
can't go to jail tonight, really?
Nick, I'm gonna be real frank with you, man. I do not want to drag you out of here, put a spit mask on you, embarrass you.
Please,
Yeah, it's gonna happen. So put those cuffs back under your back.
I'm trying to. Let me try. I can't. My seatbelt's locked, bro. Help me out. I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm not, dude. I didn't even know that this was on.
Sorry, come here.
Yes, sir.
There's no getting out of this, so just do me a favor.
Why don't you read my messages on my phone?
Scoot them under your
No,
ass.
I really can't. It was really hard to get them back.
Well, that's why you freaking shouldn't have done it.
I should have done it.
Keep your foot in.
You're right, but I didn't. I thought you guys were gonna let me go in like 5 seconds. So I didn't do anything.
Okay, scoot up. Get him under your ass. No.
I can't. I really can't.
Okay, well then fine. No, keep your foot down then. We'll just go this way.
All right.
Hold on.
Copy. I have a line ID.
You guys don't understand, dude.
Yeah,
What?
well.
What is the charge? What is the? There we go. Sorry, Bob. Sir.
That's all right.
Look
That's fine.
All right. Flexible dude.
Pull up the windows on.
Yes, sir.
Turn off the camera for me real quick. Hey, Carrigy.
Hey,
Carrigy.
turn this light off back here, Carrigy.
Carrigy, come here.
He said roll up his window.
Carrigy, let me hit the trunk so I can turn this light off back here, because that's...
Both of you, come here. Sion, come here.
Shut your camera off.
Listen to me real quick. I need you to take control of your suspects. Okay? If they're talking shit, if you need to freaking take them to jail, you need to hobble them, you need to whoop their fucking ass, you whoop their ass, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I need you to hold and take them. All right? Make those decisions for me. I should not be making them for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good talk. Justice sake.
Dude, they're giving us the runaround.
Okay, then just take them to
Hey, did anybody else go to jail right now? Just me.
As of right now, it's you. I don't know if that's changing though.
How does it work? How did you guys decide to give me a charge for domestic?
I'm not the guys that over there that were investigating it decided. We would be sitting there except you started messing around with your cuffs.
Yeah, I should have done that.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. I just woke up.
I got you, man.
How far is the jail?
Couple minutes.
You guys, I really didn't do anything. I swear to God.
Okay, well, apparently the guy that's investigating this disagrees.
I know, but
And that's what court's for, right?
no, not court, bro. Come on. I don't need to go to court with that girl. That girl's obviously been harassing me and coming around me. I never even gave her the address to my house. I didn't even give her my new phone number. It's not even my number. I have a new number because of her. She showed up with the Asian girl and my boy. And look, I didn't do anything wrong. I swear to God, I didn't touch her. Did I see violence? No, I didn't see it. Why isn't that girl going to jail? She's the one who's doing.
I don't know, Matt. Listen, I showed up. Me and you met. We walked back to my car. That's the extent of my dealings with this. So, like, I'm not trying to be a jerk about not answering your questions, but I don't have answers to those questions for you. And you keep asking the same one, and I'm not gonna. It's not gonna be able to change my answer. All right, I'm not trying to be a jerk at all. You understand?
You're not a jerk.
I just don't have the answer that you're looking for.
All right. dragged out of my house, taken to jail for no reason. And I got places to be tonight. It's crazy. Who's made up for it? What's gonna happen? When I get let out tonight?
Yeah, there's a bail and stuff. They'll talk to you about that when we get down there, okay?
I don't need to be bailed out. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Can we get this figured out tonight and I get let go or what?
Well, somebody's gonna come down and talk to you. So if you can work it out, then you can work it out. But they'll come down and talk to you here.
You guys realize that I didn't do anything?
Man, we've been through this, right? I showed up.
I know,
Met
but
you.
I'm just saying I didn't do shit just because I've been accused of something.
Okay.
So crazy. I didn't want to. When I look at my cell phone, there's obviously a problem here, and it's not me. You guys, like, there's no. Why would I ever fucking do anything wrong? I worked too hard to do anything wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. I hate that girl too. I don't even know what the fuck. She's so crazy, dude. You guys don't know, dude. She's such a psychopath. Like, I'll show you the videos that she sends in my phone. She's psycho. I never even gave her my address. I cannot move her from my house. You don't understand. I don't touch her. I do not put my hands on that woman at all ever. She should be in jail, not me, bro. She should be locked up in handcuffs. Not me, bro. You guys don't get that. And it's all like, I know you wouldn't understand.
Turn off the camera for me real quick.
Shut your camera off.
Listen to me real quick. I need you to take control of your suspects. Okay? If they're talking shit, if you need to freaking take them to jail, you need to hobble them, you need to whoop their fucking ass, you whoop their ass, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I need you to hold and take them. Alright? Make those decisions for me. I should not be making them for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Good talk.
So they entered his house with no warrant. They arrested him. They lied to him that he was being detained. And the sergeant pretty much gave the green light to, and I quote, hobble him, whoop their fucking ass. I think that sergeant needs to be fired immediately. I think we need to find out who it is. I'm not sure. I want to find out more information on this. Some of you guys are really smart. Maybe you guys can help me. Nick Diaz is from the 209. He's in the Stockton area. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's Stockton Police Department. Anyways, let's hear what Nick Diaz had to say about the arrest to TMZ. Thank you guys for tuning in. And Nick Diaz, we got your back, brother. Yeah.
People, we've been dying to hear from you because, like, ever since the whole arrest thing, like, we were wondering what your message was to the fans. You know what I'm saying?
Strange.